Hello, and thank you for taking a minute to review how PayJunction can improve the way your business processes payments. If you're currently using a credit card terminal similar to the one pictured here, the downside to using this machine is that you have to store paper receipts. After each transaction, this terminal produces a paper receipt that you have your customer sign and then you save. That is your evidence of that transaction. With PayJunction, we can eliminate the need to store paper receipts forever. With PayJunction, you can process credit cards simply and securely through any computer with internet. By securing an account with PayJunction, you'll receive a login and password that will allow you to access your account from any computer with internet in your business. Simply access our website, click the Merchant Login button, and enter in that secure login and password to access your account. Once logged into your account, you can process credit cards at any time by clicking the Process a Credit Card button located on the left-hand side of the home page. This Process a Credit Card button will allow you to both manually enter a credit card and swipe a credit card. We will supply you with two devices that plug into your computer. The first device is a USB card swiper. The second device is a USB signature capture pad that sits out in front facing your customer. To process a credit card, simply click this big Process a Credit Card button and complete your transaction. If you're swiping the card, all you need to do is simply enter in an invoice number, enter in the amount that you'd like to charge, and then swipe the card. The back of that magnetic strip on the back of the card will automatically upload the card number, expiration date, and name into the system. To manually enter in a credit card, simply enter in the card number, expiration date, and name, and click the Process button at the bottom right-hand corner. Once we have the information entered into the system, we click the Process button, and just like that, the transaction comes back approved. Once the transaction is approved, if the customer is standing in front of you, simply instruct them to sign that signature pad. The system will automatically upload their signature. All you have to do is click the Save Signature button, and just like that, you've stored this electronic receipt forever. At this time, you can then print or email a receipt for your customer. If we print that receipt, as you'll see, the pretty little signature image will be in the signature box on the receipt. Notice our receipts are also customizable with your business's logo. You can also edit the header and also the footer text on the receipt if needed. But as a business, you no longer have to store paper receipts. Click Process a Credit Card to run the next transaction and you're ready to go again. But at any time, whether it's 5 minutes ago or 5 years ago, you can search for a past transaction. Simply type in the name of the customer, hit the search button, and you'll be able to recall any and all past transactions ever in the history of your account for that particular customer. You also have the ability to even search by invoice number or amount of a transaction. When you recall the list of your customer's transactions, you can view the details of any transaction in the past by simply clicking the Details button to the left of any transaction, which will allow you to instantly access that original receipt page where you could go ahead and reprint or re-email that receipt with signature. The system will store a record of every transaction for the life of your account. Last but certainly not least, being able to see your daily deposits and your batches has never been easier. By clicking the Batches and History button at the top of the page, you have the ability to view your daily reports. Your current unsettled batch would be today's transactions, activity from today. Your previous settled batches, as indicated by the date to the right of each green check mark, would be yesterday's transactions and every day before that. Now, if I wanted to see the individual transactions that made up a day's batch, all I have to do is simply click the View Batch button to the left of any day that I want to view, and I can instantly view the complete report of that day's transactions, giving me the name of every customer as well as the invoice number and amount of the transactions. This allows for much easier reconciliation with any kind of accounting software that you also use to track your payments. The system will store every day's batch for you for the life of your account, dating back to the very first day you ever had our system. As you can see, the PayJunction system will organize and centralize your payment data in a way that you just can't with a standard terminal. You'll eliminate the need of storing paper receipts ever again and be able to recall any past transaction in a matter of seconds. If you like what you see here, the program can be available for you for free. We'll guarantee to match or beat your existing processing rates. Simply get in touch with the sales rep who gave you this video, and they'll complete the proposal for you. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.